Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 16 Pro and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are on the photo mode, which is great because now all we have to do is to tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner. So let's tap. The second bar is connected with the timer. We've got three different options in this device, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. I'll pick 10 seconds delay, so let me tap on it. It will be immediately highlighted. Moreover, it is visible on the shutter button, which is great because we can always quickly check whether we've got the timer set or not. So now all we have to do is to simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. However, we had an additional timer set, and if you're not sure what to do then, simply tap on this highlighted yellow option here, or orangish option, because we had the night mode set. So, and usually it is set automatically, so I know you could be surprised, but all you have to do is to simply tap on it to turn it off, and we will have only the timer which is set in the settings. So if you wish to turn off the timer, simply tap on the three bars icon and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.